Koki ini membuka toko coklat artisan pertama di Senegal. Koki Belgia-Kongo Danuta Nganko mendirikan toko coklatnya, Nganko. Setelah dipaksa membatalkan rencananya untuk membuka restoran.
I worked with Belgian chocolate, but the idea is to take a very classical chocolate and work it with local flavors. So we worked a lot with Bisa, which is very well known here, but I also try to bring back to life flavor that maybe people forget a little bit about, like kumkoron, which is a nut that is almost disappearing, and I hope that moving forward, my work can go as well with helping to put those flavor a bit in fashion and maybe try to save some of those. Now I think the next challenge will be to accustom Senegalese customer of buying chocolate on a day-to-day basis, because they do now for dinner, for a gift, for a special occasion, but they are not yet to buy chocolate like, as something you have in your fridge and just take a bite. But we'll get there.